How to delete location on Ring app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the Ring application is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open it. It will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is, at the very top, click on this drop-down icon. It will show you the location that you have set. You can also add another location by clicking on Add a Location. Now let's say you want to delete the location that you have set before. Go back and click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left corner and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, it will show you your detailed location that you have set. If you want to delete it, what you want to do is, you will be able to see this delete icon. Simply click on it. It will ask you if you are sure you want to delete this location. Tap on Delete Location. And that's it, the location has been deleted successfully. Now you can add another location if you want to, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete location on Ring app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.